Hi everyone, welcome to Aktifer Turkish Lessons. My name is Yasin Durak. Today I would like to help you learn how to use countable and uncountable nouns. For this title we say in Turkish, for countable ones we say sayılabilir. Sayılabilir and ve sayılamaz. Uncountable. Sayılamaz isimler, nouns, isimler. Let me repeat one more time. Sayılabilir ve sayılamaz isimler konusu, subject or topic. All right, first of all, I would like to help you learn how to use determiners or quantifiers in Turkish. As you see on the left, there are some examples, a and, some, many, and a few. So in Turkish, we say for this a and, in Turkish, bir. Some, we say birkaç. Many, a lot of, lots of. So we say çok. Or you can say çok sayıda. Çok sayıda. Okay, so a few or few in Turkish we say az sayıda. Of course, this category includes countable nouns. Let me repeat one more time with you if you want to repeat it with me as well. Birkaç, çok, or you can say çok sayıda. Az sayıda. For uncountables, as you see here, some, a little, much, a lot of, lots of, blah, blah, blah. So in Turkish, we say for uncountable nouns, this important part, uncountables. So here you can say biraz. For uncountables, don't forget az, çok. As you can see, there's the same way that we use in Turkish, çok and az and çok, which is the same actually in Turkish. For countables and uncountables, there's not a big difference actually. All right, so let's see some examples. Well, we don't have a big difference actually in Turkish to describe countable and uncountable nouns. So, for example, for uncountable nouns, can be countable nouns in Turkish. That's why I would like to help you learn this part in Turkish with examples. Let's see here. On the right, as you see English words. On the left, as you see Turkish words. Let's start with these examples. Elma, elma. Öğrenci. There's soft G, which is kind of not pronounced. Okay, so you kind of omit it. Öğrenci. Ev, araba, kitap, bilgisayar. And as you see here, these words here in English, uncountables. However, we use this in Turkish with countable nouns as well. Vakit, or you can say zaman, zaman, zaman. Vakit, para, ekmek, hava, su, chai. As I would like to, remind you one more time, these uncountable nouns, which you see here in English language, can be countable nouns in Turkish. That's why I put this in the same category. So let's see some practical examples how you can use these forms in Turkish. Example, you can say a glass of tea here. So in Turkish we say bir bardak. Bir bardak means a glass. A glass of tea, bir bardak çay. A glass of water, bir bardak su. Bir bardak su. İki cep telefonu. Or you can say iki tane cep telefonu. Two cell phones. Bir hamburger. A hamburger, or you can say one hamburger. A house, or you can say one house. Bir ev. A student in a class. Sınıfta bir öğrenci. Forests. Ormanlar. Let me repeat one more time. only I will say in Turkish. Let's start. Bir bardak çay. Bir bardak su. 2 tane cep telefonu. Bir hamburger. Bir ev. Sınıfta bir öğrenci. Ormanlar. Let's see this part. Some water. Biraz su. Biraz su. Biraz su. Birkaç tane araba. Some cars. As you see here, countables, uncountables. When it's uncountable, you can start with biraz if it's some. If it's countable nouns with some, then you can start with birkaç. Birkaç. Birkaç tane araba. Biraz süt. Some milk. Biraz süt. Biraz kahve. Biraz kahve. For uncountables, don't forget a pair of socks. You can say bir çift çorap. Bir çift çorap. As you see here, there's strong ch with the dots below the C letter, and here is the same. So pronunciation ch, like as an example in Czech. Okay. Bir çift çorap. Bir çift çorap. Bir adet cake, a piece of cake. Bir adet cake. Bir parça ça. Bir parça kağıt, soft G. Bir parça kağıt. Bir parça kağıt. All right, now these are the examples, and I would like to again summarize this lesson with, I want to keep it short to help you repeat one more time by yourself after me. So let's see here examples. A and some, many, and in Turkish we say bir and some, birkaç. For these are for countables. Okay, don't forget. Many, a lot of, lots of, çok, birkaç, bir. And for uncountables, be careful here. Some, we say for uncountables, biraz. And for a little, you can say az. Much, a lot of, lots of, çok. So let's see a couple of more examples here. Elma, öğrenci, ev, araba, kitap, bilgisayar, vakit, para, ekmek, hava, su, çay, bir parça cake, a piece of cake. Bir parça, a piece of. Okay, we say a piece of. Bir parça cake, bir parça kağıt, a piece of. Bir parça çay. Bir bardak çay, a glass of tea. Bir bardak çay. Bir fincan kahve. So here there's H letter, but we don't normally pronounce this so strongly, so we say kahve. All right, so this is the end of our lesson today about countables and uncountable nouns. If you have any questions or comments, please don't forget to write us as well at activeferin@hotmail.com, and our website is www.activeferin.com. And please don't forget to subscribe and to like our lessons. Thank you for your time. See you next time. Bye for now.